So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the preference language of the content that has been recommended for you in order to consume the content. So if the content has been not as per your confirmed language, or you can say the native language, you might be facing the problem with some of the games and anything else. So in order to change that content language, preference language, as per your convenience, you can do that easily on your Steam account. Now all you have to do is to just simply open the Steam on the device that you have been using. For example, if I'm using the Steam on my Windows PC, I just open Steam over there, and here you see the basic home structure. You have been familiar with this. Now all you have to do is to go to the option of settings, and you'll be finding the settings on the top left corner. When you click there, you go to the option of settings over there, over the second last option. Just simply click on this option. Now the settings window will pop right in front of you, where on the first option of account, you have to go to the option of account details over there. You can see it's just right there. Simply click on this option. When you click there, you are in the account settings of your profile. Now here on the left window, you can see 4-5 options. Now in order to change the language preference, you can see the third option is over there, language preferences. Just simply click on this option. When you click there, you can see the two different sections, and three different sections, where first says primary language, second says secondary language, and the third option says additional game content language. So here you can select any of the primary language that you want the content to be displayed on the wherever possible, and the secondary language is the language that it might be possible that the primary language content has not been available for you. So the secondary language that you have been selected will be your primary set it as the content preference language. And once you are done with the selection, you can set up the additional language as well if you want to set up. It's an optional feature, and if you want to consume the language if you want to consume the content in these languages as well, and if in case the content is not available in much amount in your language, you can do the select language over there also. So by this method, you can easily edit the preference language on the Steam account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.